The creation of a pearl begins with the selection of the strongest and healthiest oysters.
Clean shells are vital to prevent infections during the delicate surgical process. Conditioning ensures the oysters are relaxed and ready for the graft.
A tiny piece of donor tissue is the key to stimulating pearl growth.
This tiny sphere will act as the foundation for the future gem. With steady hands, the nucleus is placed. A single mistake could end the journey.
The oysters need time to recover and accept their new guest.
Nets protect the oysters from sea predators while allowing nutrient-rich water to flow.
Month after month, the oyster wraps the nucleus in thousands of layers of calcium carbonate.
Regular cleaning is essential to keep the oysters healthy and growing.
The quality of the pearl depends entirely on the health of the ocean.
After years of waiting, it's finally time to reveal nature's hidden treasures.
A breathtaking moment as the first pearl sees the light of day.
Each pearl is unique, a testament to the oyster's resilience.
A gentle salt wash removes organic residue, letting the natural luster shine.
Pearls come in many shapes, but the perfectly round ones are the most coveted.
Luster is the most important factor. The deeper the glow, the higher the value.
Matching the exact shade is an art form, essential for creating high-end jewelry.
Size matters. Even a half-millimeter difference can change a pearl's rarity.
One tiny hole, drilled with extreme care to avoid cracking the precious nacre.
Silk threads and hand-tied knots ensure the pearls never rub against each other.
Finished with a luxury clasp, the strand is now a complete masterpiece.
Wrapped in luxury, ready to tell a story of beauty and patience. From the deep blue sea to the height of elegance, the journey of a pearl is complete.